We all know what LEGO is. It's the company that makes our favorite sets around our favorite themes, awesome minifigures, awesome whatever. You can do whatever with LEGO, like build ships, spaceships, cars, anything with LEGO. But what if there's more companies like LEGO? Like they make minifigures as well and builds and stuff like this. I'm going to be answering many questions today, like, is knockoff Lego worth it? So you might be asking yourself, what's knockoff Lego? This is a knockoff Lego minifigure, and this is a normal Lego minifigure. Knockoff Lego figures are typically figures that aren't, like, they look like Lego, some might even feel like Lego, but they're not Lego. So we're going to be talking about knockoff figures, a few other knockoff things that I have, and I'm going to be answering the question, should you buy knockoff minifigures and sets, or should you just try to stay away from those and actually buy real Lego? So without further ado, let's get started. So I have a knockoff Lego set and a few figures I want to show you that are all not Lego branded. So we're going to start off with this guy. This is a knockoff Galactic Marine right here. First thoughts, it's really cool. I've had this for a while now, and it's pretty cool. It looks like Lego figures. It sometimes even feels like Lego figures because there's two types of plastic that I've seen knockoff figures have. Cheap plastic and like decent plastic like Legos. This is definitely in between, so you can't really tell a difference that it's Lego or not, except of course that Legos never made a Galactic Marine and they're probably never going to. But yeah, if you take a closer look at this figure, you'll see that it's not the best. The printing is wonky. You can see there if it focuses. Yeah, the printing is not the best. It is misaligned a lot. It's not perfect. Right here, in between the legs, this shade of gray just fades out towards this direction while it's really dark here. Printing's not the best. Also, the arms seem to be, like, really loose. I even had to replace the arms that it came with these official Lego arms, because the arms which these came with were actual garbage. Like, you could not move the hands at all. It was not the best. But and even like connecting it to the base plates compared to Lego figures, like when you connect Lego figures to a base plate, like you connect them and they're pretty sturdy in there, like they're not gonna move. But this guy is really just loose. You can even tell right there, it's just loose. But other than that, it's a good figure. The reason people buy knockoff Legos is because they're cheap, and usually they come in large quantities, which is understandable, but for this minifigure compared to an official Lego one, I would obviously go with the Lego one. So the next knockoff I'm going to look at real quick is this. This is technically not a knockoff, it's actually a custom, but I'm going to consider it a knockoff because one, this is not an official Lego helmet, and two, it's actually copying a minifigure that's already out. So this is a old style, I don't know how to call it, the old style Jango Fett figure. It's Lego, I don't know what to say, but it is a knockoff of a Lego figure that's already existed. It's been out. Only reason you would buy this is because the official one costs hundreds of dollars, and it is not worth it for that much. But this figure is cheaper. Quality-wise, it's newer than the older one, so I would assume the quality is a little bit better. But other than that, it's nothing special. So with that, let's go to the set. So right here we have the knockoff Lego set. So from a distance, you can see it looks like Lego. This does not look like knockoff Lego. How is this knockoff Lego? But if you take a closer look, I might not be able to see with this camera. Take this piece off right here. If it focuses, you can see that it does not have the Lego logo on it. it doesn't have the Lego logo on it, which means it's knockoff. But this set I'm pretty sure cost like $50, which, to be honest, isn't that bad. Putting it together, it was like putting Lego together. It was a little stiff, like the pieces were like having trouble connecting sometimes, and it did come with a few missing pieces, but those were easily replaceable because I have more Lego than this. Obviously, I have extra pieces. But yeah, overall this set is amazing and it's worth it in my opinion if you want a set like this. So I'm gonna have a Amazon link down below in the description if you do want to pick this up for yourself, because honestly I think it's worth it. But overall it's your decision. If you want to buy this set, then you go for it. If you don't, then well, good for you. So yeah, with that, let's go to the outro. Yeah, so with that, that is the end of the video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, helps out a lot. Yeah, comment down below what your thoughts are on knockoff Lego, because I would love to hear them. Yeah, check out a few other videos while you're at it. And with that, I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.